Hello students, welcome to our new video lesson, and in this video lesson we are going to learn about rounding answers to the nearest whole number. Okay, and in our previous lessons we learned about rounding any number to the nearest value, but this there will be decimal numbers. To round a decimal number to the nearest whole number, we have to look at the digit in the tens place, and if that is 5 or more than 5, then we will round the whole number up, and if it is less than 5, we will not change the whole number. Let's say these maths are in exercise 5H. Okay, exercise 5H, I'm writing this down. All right, so let's do some digging in this chapter. Okay, let's say this one is number 3a, so let's say this one is 0.8. Okay, so the tens place, the value is 8. We know that if the value is 5 or greater than 5, then we will round up. So the value will be 1. Why? Because it was 0, so we will round up. So if we are rounding up to 0, it will be 1. So let's say another one which another one, let's say this one is 10.399. Okay, so the tens place number is 3, and this 3 is less than 5, so we can't change the value of this one, so the value will be 10. All right, but there are some things like we can round the money. For rounding the money, there is a little change, like to round the answer in, like, let's say you want to round the value in pounds to the nearest penny. We need to look at the digit in the thousands place. Okay, what is the thousands place? Let's say, sorry, let's say number 8. Oh, let's say number 8. Okay, let's say number 8. This says 8 euro 6.8425. Okay, as this one is, as we are saying, this one is the tens place, so tens, hundreds and thousands, so this value will be the third value will be the thousands place, and this value is 2, so we know that as this one is not rounding up, so this one will remain the same, like 6.84 euro. It will not change. All right, so let's see another math, like let's say do number C, for example. Okay, 42.8352. Okay, for this one we can see the thousands place, the value of the thousands place is 5. So as this one is 5, so it will go round up. So the value should be 42.84. So that will be all for this chapter, and we will see another topic in this video lesson, and this topic will be about taxation or VAT. Okay, in this exercise we will be doing the maths regarding the VAT, and you, as you study in class 6, you will not be able to use calculator with you. And this one is, let me define you the exercise. This one is exercise 6F. So all the VAT for doing this exercise, all the VAT will be, the VAT rate will be 17.5%. As this one is 17.5%, and we don't have any calculator, so 17.5% is pretty difficult to calculate. So what we can do is we can just round it like 10% plus 5% plus 2.5%. So what is the benefit of this? We can find out the 10% pretty easily. For 5%, we are just cutting down the 10% value in half, and for 2.5%, we are cutting down this value in half. So this one is pretty gettable for you. So let's do some math. Like, without using the calculator, we need to find out the VAT on any prices. Okay, I am doing one simple math for you guys. Let's do number F. Okay, this one is euro 42. Okay, for 42, we can see like the 10% of euro 42 will be 4.2, right? We can say like 42 into 1 by 10, so this will be 4.2. Okay, and at like 5% of 42 will be half of 4.2, so 4.2 divided by 2 we can say, so it will be 2.1, and like 2.5% of euro 42 equal to, like, we can say, we can write down 2.5 or 2.1 divided by 2, we can say this thing, and the value will be 1.05. So we can just find out the total here. Total is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 6 and 1 7 7.35. So the VAT of this, so we can say VAT for euro 42 is euro 7.35. Okay, so this is how we are going to do the VAT related exercises without using our calculator. So we have to keep that in mind. As you are studying in class 6, you can't use your calculator. That's why you need to do the math in a smartest way. Like, you need to cut the percentages into the smaller way you can. Everyone can divide the values with 2, so this is pretty easy for you, and everyone can find out the 10%, so it is easier for you to do the math without using that calculator. So that is all for today. We'll see you in the next video lesson, and in those video lesson I will be solving you some more exercises. So thank you everyone.